Yo, what is going on, family? Andre Money back here again with another video. And today I'll be going over a quick recap on GCAD and GeorgiaPY trades that I took on last night's live trading session with all Pitts Profit Club members. Now, before I get started, just go ahead and smash that like button and go ahead and comment below if you have any questions by the end of this video as well. And if you want to be part of my live trading sessions, click the link in the description and the link in bio, and I'll see you guys in my next live training session with all my Pitts Profit Club members. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Here on JVP CAD, as mentioned last night, we had gotten down here was we had zero drawdown, like no drawdown at all, and we just straight spiked to the upside. It was a quick move of 192 pips where we did already secure partials. Our first take profit, we still don't reach it. We do have it right on the equal highs, which that is our first take profit for GBP CAD, which is at 200, sitting at first take profit of 222 pips for the first take profit. That should be hitting as in tonight. By tonight's London session, we should continue that new rally to the upside, continue going up to clear out our old high up here, which is our last take profit, sitting at 284 pips, which is our last take profit to clear out this old high. And also, we do currently have a buy limit. We did place a buy limit on tonight's live trading session with our Pitts Profit Club members, which are new entry prices over here. Now, let me just go ahead and explain why I see market retracing into this area. You guys might be saying, yo, Andre, I mean, there's no resistance, there's no support there. Why are you looking to get in for that buy? Well, the reason why is, first of all, we trade institutional, so we don't do none of that support resistance or trend lines. We mainly trade pure price action here. So if we come into the 15-minute time frame, we could start seeing how markets start forming equal lows here, which is sell side liquidity. So what I'm waiting for market to do, I'm just simply waiting for market to come and clear out this sell side liquidity here, come and test into 50% our imbalance area where we have this accumulation of price candle that we could see much more clear inside the 5-minute time frame. So we look at this here in the 15-minute time frame. All this is our imbalance, which market tends to fill in 50% or just all the imbalance completely, which in this case, I don't really see it filling all the imbalance. I really just see it coming to the 50% to start making this new rally up, which would be clearing out this equal lows, which is the sell side liquidity. After we cut that sell side liquidity, well, market's going to come and look to tap where? Into our commission, our price candle that we have right here in this 5-minute time frame. So right here in this 5-minute time frame, you can see super clear how we have that commission, our price candle here, and it's right on that 50% of our imbalance. So the only reason why I don't see market filling all the imbalance is because we have an accumulation price candle right here on this 5-minute time frame, and imbalance here, which is at 50% on the 5 minutes. So just this right here would be considered a small imbalance of the 5-minute time frame that we have to come in and clear. So that way we could see market filling price and clear out liquidity. So that right there is what I have my buy limit order for my second entry. And in this case, on this one, I am only going to be risking 17 pips, which is, well, 18 pips to be exact, which is below my commission price count on the 5-minute time frame, 10 to 15 pips below it. And my take profit, in this case, I would only be having one take profit, which would be a total amount of 151 pips. That is in our old high. We could obviously secure partials and within the equal highs, which would be ranging on sitting around 92 pips. We could actually, I'm actually going to place that as my first take profit for my second entry, and my second take profit would be up here. Same take profit that I have as my first entry in this case would be a total of 151 pips in total for the second take profit, and the first take profit sitting at 90 pips, which is right where we have the equal highs. But as you guys can see, we're currently running in profits. Our stop loss for this entry that we had, we already have in the stop profit area above risk free. So if we are to get kicked out, we get kicked out in profits either way. And either way, we did already secure 190 pips in profits. And we are now, right now, floating at 174 pips floating in profit as well. So that's what I'm currently seeing for GBP CAD. Now, coming to GeorgiaPY, we did get in for a sale last night as well for GeorgiaPY. As we see right now, we've just been ranging inside that area, which is our entry price. We're still having a battle to come in to the downside, but it looks like it's just been doing this distribution phase. It's just been doing this distribution because market has different phases that we come into, right? So depending what session you're trading is when markets will be having their movements. So when it comes to New York and London session, that's when we have our expansions and retracements going on. Then coming in Asia session, that's when we start seeing our distribution, which all this right here was Asian session. Some of it was some London session, which we didn't really have a lot of movement for last night's London. But in this case scenario, I do expect tonight's London to have its movement down, clearing out our old low, which is our first take profit, second take profit, coming all the way down to our weekly take profit, actually our daily take profit that we have right on that daily accumulation price candle right here, that waiting for mine to be cleared out. On top of that, we come into the 1 hour once again here. We can start seeing confirmation. The market can now start spiking back down, since right here on the 1 hour, we mark our fib level from our start to our finish, from our high to our low. We did come into a premium area at our 7.9 premium, come into a very, very important level to be getting in for sales on our fib retracement right there. It has now created this expansion, and now right now creating a new small retracement, testing into our most recent accumulation price candle here, which would be this bullish accumulation price candle, the last bullish candle before the rally down, breaking below this old low. Right now we have just currently retraced into it once more to now start spiking back down, and we're currently running back in profits. So your APY, we should definitely see your APY keep on coming down in this case. Other than that, one pair that I'm also looking at is going to be Euro NCD. So Euro NCD, we kind of see same case scenario as Euro AUD that you guys already saw in our last YouTube video. Right here on Euro NCD, we have filled in this whole imbalance area and coming and testing into our weekly commission price candle right here, where we started seeing those rejections. On your NCD, I do have a buy limit, so you guys can play that buy limit if you guys want as well. So coming into the daily time frame, we could start seeing some more specific rejections here, and we could also see this daily imbalance zone, which is this rally down, this push down that has to be filled in before we see anything major happen or any other movement down. Our overall take profit, we do have it up here right on this equal highs based on our daily time frame to clear out this buy side liquidity. Now come into our forward time frame where we can start seeing that small spring that happened. This small spring right here coming to the upside, and also come into our breaker, which I broke above the breaker right here, which is our old highs. So we clear liquidity in this area. When we clear that liquidity, which is old highs, coming out breaker, what is market gonna do? Market's gonna tend to do what? Retrace into what? Our commission price candle, which you guys should all know by now if you guys have been watching my YouTube videos, which is right here on this 1 hour commission price candle. On top of that, that commission price candle also aligns with an important fib level, which is our 705 discount price right there, right on that opening area. And that is why I'm placing my buy limit right there. So I do have my buy limit right on the entry of this the commission price candle. My stop loss, I have it below this wick, just in case we come and clear out the liquidity right there, which I don't really see happening because we're already filling price over here into our first commission price candle, and also filling in the imbalance here. So all we need to do right now is to currently clear out liquidity that we have right here in the sell side liquidity right there, coming in to fill in our imbalance right here on your NCD, and testing into this accumulation price candle to start seeing the new rally to the upside. I do have to take profits. My first take profit, I do have it over here on this bullish accumulation price candle, coming to fill in this bearish imbalance as well, which is an area where we should start seeing some sort of rejection coming down to create a new retracement to the downside before we see any other major push to the upside to hit our last take profit at 352 pips. In this case, our first take profit, we are sitting at, I think, 113 pips, 110 pips for our first take profit that we have right there. And our last and second take profit is at 352 pips for Euro NCD. With that being said, those are the pairs I'm be taking a look at for tonight's London session. I'll see you guys for the next live session. Like I said, go ahead and smash that like button down below, and go ahead and comment if you have any questions or any other thing specific that you you guys want to see. Please let me know, or any other stuff that you guys did not understand from this video, like imbalance. If you guys want me to go more in depth about imbalance, accumulation price candles, or my favorite retracement tools, also let me know, and I'll be more than happy to make a video about that, so that way you guys can learn on how to use those tools. and how to do a market breakdown analysis. And hopefully these videos have been helping every single and each one of you guys as well. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next live session. No, I mean in the next video, and happy trading to y'all.